Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Most. Today I'm going to show you how you can use a loop in order to loop through all of these items and display all of them. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. So as you can see, we previously had these three items and they would display these three items, Apple, Google, and Samsung. But imagine that you have hundreds of options. It would be very, very difficult for you to create all of them, to create hundreds of items like this. It's going to take a lot of time. And therefore, we can use something called ng-for, which is going to loop through all of the items that we have, and it's going to display all of them instead of creating the code like this. Let me show you what I mean and how you can do that. First of all, I'm going to only display one item. But instead of just displaying that item like this, we can here add a loop. So here in the in item, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use the ng-for and then equal to let item of array. So each item represents just a single item from that array. And we also need the index. Therefore, I'm going to say here index and then as I. So I now is going to be the index. And I'm going to pass this I inside the array here, I, in order to get each item and display it, and also in the change callback function in order to call back, or in order to execute the function, the callback function or the event function with the correct index. Now, if I save and head on over to the browser, guess what? As you can see, I have the same exact code that I had before. If I select Apple, it's going to display Apple. If I select Google, it's going to display Google. If I select Samsung, it's going to display Samsung. So the code is very similar like before. The application is very similar like before, but now it's more efficient because if you have lots of items in your array, you don't have to copy and paste the code many times. You can use this simple code that's going to create this application. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And by the way, check the description below because I have created a complete course on how to create an Instagram application using Ionic framework. And you will get a discount by using the link in the description below. This is Most. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.